Want stunning graphic designs in seconds? Meet Z.ai, your new creative shortcut. No design skills? No problem. Just type a prompt and Z.ai generates options. Start with a clear goal, define mood, colors, and layout in your prompt. Use visual style words, here we choose scribble, high contrast, modern. Add specifics, aspect ratio, focal point, and text placement. Hit generate and watch Z.ai create multiple variations instantly. Example prompt, scribble poster, neon pink and teal, playful typography, 16 by 9. Watch the before, simple sketch. After, bold, textured scribble composition. Iterate fast, tweak one word, change playful to minimal, get an instant variation. Export options, PNG, vector, or layered PSD for finishing touches. Quick tips, be specific, reference colors, and use style anchors like scribble. Ready to create? Try Z.ai now, craft, tweak, and share stunning designs in seconds.